Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful 1968 Chevelle Convertible Pro Touring. This car just came off a 3-year restoration and is absolutely fantastic. It's got a newer paint on it. It's a modern paint. Bottom metallic. Carson roof. The cloth power top. Seat belts all the way around. Tilt wheel. TMI buckets, forged wheels, monster 3-inch exhaust all the way around, LED tail lights, those have halos up front, incredible stance too. It's got a 3-inch exhaust with an X pipe, Black Widow mufflers. Sounds incredible. Brand new LS3 under the hood. Wilwood disc brakes. The disc brakes in the rear too. They're all drilled and slotted. This paint is incredible. This car is new. Custom high intensity lights up front. Custom spoiler. New bumpers, new stainless, new everything. Push button start. Can you fire it up? Billet specialty steering wheel. Auto sound, vintage air, horseshoe shifter, custom center console. Custom door panels, all stitched in red leather to match the theme. Custom door handles. Buckets. Love how the stitch matches the paint. Tilt wheel, custom gauges, 235 miles on the build. This car is new. Again, no expense spared. LS3, Hydroboost power brakes. See, everything is painted to match the car. Huge Derale aluminum radiator. Cold air intake. Here's your Hydroboost system. Tubular upper and lower control arms. Here the fan comes on with a temp gauge. Adjustable coilover shocks. All new chrome, stainless fittings. dyno matted. It's cold air too. Jeez. Stereo's pretty sick too. Speakers all the way around, including the kick panels. There's also a sub in the trunk. There we go. LEDs all the way around on this car. Thank you. Halos up front. Red. It's killer. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.